Hey guys, when you go for your driving lesson, don't just keep it quiet. Just keep asking the question. So you done first lesson. The next lesson will be junction, approaching left, right, merging. So next time when you know you go next lesson, go to YouTube and look through approaching junction. This is the way you save your time. So instructor does not have to stop on the side and start giving a lecture for half an hour because you already done your homework. So when they talk about that, if they ask you question, do you know anything about it? Yes, I know. I know what is approaching. I know what is merging, and I know what my routine is. So they have no anything to They only gonna ask you just a recap, and you got all the answer, and that's it. This is the way you save your time. Long as you done your homework. So as you know, the lessons are very expensive. Just use a YouTube. Go to YouTube. You will see all the subjects are there. Like now I'm gonna tell you approaching junction, merging junction here. This is the main routine on the side. It's called MSPSL, mirror signal position speed. And look, if you're doing a manual car, then you will have a gear because I'm talking about automatic, so we don't have a gear. So it's mirror signal position speed. And look, it's basically you done your material. It says MSM. It's now because we're doing practical, we're going to break the maneuver into the part. It's called MSPSL, which is mirror signal position speed. And look, so you're turning left, check your center mirror, left door mirror, signal. When would you signal? Not too early, not too late. Signal 9 to 10 cars. If you signal early, people think he's stopping. If you signal late, give enough time to other road user. Then position for turning left is a normal driving position, which is 1 meter away from the curb. Speed, every corner is different. Some corners you can do 0 to 8 mile per hour. If it's a really sharp corner, you could be doing 0 to 5 mile per hour. Or if it's a wide corner, you can do up to 10 to 0 to 10 mile per hour. So depending on the corner, only you can tell by looking. Look where you're going, look any obstruction, anything blocking you, make the turn. Always turn into your lane like that. Simple as that. And if you got cyclists, as you know, if you're turning left, the cyclist is there. As you know, you can't overtake because that will be danger. So it's better. It's all common sense. Basically, it's better you stay behind, let them go once they're out of danger, and you make the turn. Next one here, pedestrian. If you see anyone's there, as you know, the new rule is they have the if they anyone's waiting or they're crossing, they have the priority. As you're coming, they're coming to the junction, and if person is not looking, it's better you be aware of them as they come. Always stop on the main road. Oh, I clicked the wrong button. Always stay on the main road so they can go. Don't go half in and half out because people can behind you. They're gonna try to go around you. They're putting themselves in danger. You stay here. Once they're out of danger, and you make the turn. Park car. Yes, you can go around as long as as long as you got enough space. Go around the park car. Come back to your lane, and keep the car slow. Always make the turn into your lane. If your lane is blocked, make sure no one's coming from the front. Do your routine, and you go around. Is when you're going too much snake driving, going around, and this. It's just you don't need a signal, but you will be checking mirrors a lot. Your instructor will tell you. So that's for turning left. It's the same thing for turning right as well. It's mirror signal, position, speed, and look. But position will be different. But you check your center mirror, who's behind you. Check your right door mirror, who's overtaking. After the signal, you take the position. You move to right side of your lane. The reason is if any car behind you, they can go from the left hand side, so you're not blocking anyone. And take the position. Slow down. If no one's coming from the front, you can go. If someone's coming from the front, you always stop here, just front of the center line there. So this is the way you do not cut corner. Cutting corner is like turning early. So don't cut corner. And if anyone's coming, then you have to stop. If no one's coming, then you can continue because this is oncoming traffic. So we don't go when somebody is coming. If no one's coming, you can continue driving. But if somebody is coming, so you always stop the position here and let them go and check your mirrors and you go. Always be aware of the mirror. The reason is there could be a motorbike overtaking you as you're making the turn. So just for your safety, just quick glance into the mirrors. And when if you are turning right, same, do not cut corner. If anyone's coming, let them go because you're going into someone's lane. They have the priority. You go half in your lane, half of their lane, and wait till you still come to the point of turn, and then you make the turn from here. For example, sometimes you will see there's some cars are parked up here, right? Then best idea is go half in your lane, half of their lane, like so. Always have a 90-degree position, instead of you cutting corner like that. The same pedestrian, they have the priority if anyone's coming when you're making the turn. Make sure no one's crossing. So as we can see, there's a person coming. So always on the wait on the main road. Stand off, you go halfway and block their lane. So stay in the main road. Wait till once they're out of danger. Just quick glance into your mirrors because no one's overtaking you and make the turn. Side road, if you are turning right, if they're too close, like don't signal. Just check the mirror, take the position first. Because if you signal, they will think you're going here. And as you pass the exit, then you signal and then you get into your position and then you turn from your lane. Simple as that. Merging is called T-junction. Same routine, MSPSL, mirror signal, position, speed and look. Merging, we call merging is one you can see the giveaway line or you can see the stop line, right? So now we come to giveaway line, same MSPSL. You're going to main road to side road, mirror signal, position, speed and look, same distance, same as everything. It just when you turn left, don't keep the car straight, always follow the curb, a little bend because your lane is already started, so you're not faced to the lane where you're going. Now it says look, assess, decide and act. Always look, assess, decide and act. Look to the right because it's a left-hand driving, then look left. Why are we looking left? Could be their lane is blocked, they're driving in your lane, or any park car, or anyone's moving from the wrong side. Just for the safety, look, no one's coming. Then look right again. Why? Because as you was looking, anyone can turn up. That's why it says look, assess, decide and act, and then you make the turn into your lane. Simple as that. Turning right, same thing, MSPSL, move to the right side of your lane. As you're done, you're approaching junction to the right. Now you're turning right, so you always drive on the left side of the new road. Same, look right, left, right, no one's coming. And go up to the lane. As your front about to get into the lane, start making the turn. If you see someone is already parked up the car there, then yes, you can make the turn earlier, that you don't have to go too much forward. Don't try to cut the corner. You want to go straight into your lane and make the turn. Peep and creep, basically, what is it when the view is blocked? Say you're turning right as you come to the junction. As you know, there's loads of cars parked everywhere, so you cannot see. You don't have to stop on the giveaway. You can creep forward and make the new line parallel to the basically where you can see, and then look both sides, keep looking and keep creeping and make the turn. Yeah, cut corner when you come when you especially going to the right, you will see loads of people are cutting corner. Just be aware of them. Yes, they have done something wrong, but end of the day, look for your safety. What is a crossroad? Crossroad, if you are turning right, main road has the priority. If no one's on the main road, there's a car going straight and you are turning right. Who should go first? right? So they have the priority. The reason is because your lane is here. You're still far away from your lane. You have to pass this lane to get into your lane. They're already in the lane. So that's why they have the priority. If they're going straight, turning left, they have the priority. If you're going straight, turning left, you have the priority over each other when no one's on the main road. Let's see that. Yeah, let them go, and then you go after. Now, it's a two different type of closed junction and open junction. Closed junction is basically, say if there's any bigger, there's a big houses on the left and the right, and you're coming, and you cannot see who's coming from the right, you cannot see who's coming from the left. That makes a closed junction. You only can tell once you get there. So you're turning right or left, doesn't matter. So you go up to the line, and then you look right, and then left, and then right, and then you go. If it's an open junction, right? Say if I take the houses off, then if it's open junction, you can see everything clear. Look right, no one's coming. Left, no one's coming. Look right, no one's coming. Left, no one's coming. Then you don't have to stop on the give way. Give way if somebody's there. If the view is clear, you know nobody's coming, then you don't have to stop. Stop sign. What matters is off junction, closed junction, or open junction. Normally, it's a very, very close junction. It's hard to see it. If it's open junction or closed junction, you must stop and apply your handbrake. Right? Give way, you don't have to, but the stop sign, they want you to completely stop and take your time. Do not rush. This is called approaching junction and merging junction. So when your instructor asks you any question, so you know all the answer. Please, please, please always go into YouTube, look what subject you go next. Stand up sitting there and listening to your instructor for half an hour, 40 minutes, and wasting your time. Do your homework. When they ask you any question, you know the answer. Bang, bang, on the road. Simple.